If you don't get what's happening, I'm gonna tell you the story right now. This is technically a voice reveal. Yeah, this is my voice. So what happened is my friend was visiting Michigan, which where we live, and we were at the lake, and it's a lake, and it was behind their house that they were renting for now. And so I was jumping in the water because we were only able to go in the shallow end. But I didn't know it was that shallow. And I jumped in the water off the deck, and a rock cut my foot. It wasn't that bloody, but still I didn't know what else to do. So yeah. Sorry for the bad editing. Bye-bye.